Weather questions on the Part 107 knowledge exam can be challenging. On top of studying, taking practices tests can be beneficial during the preparation process. Here are 15 common questions that may be seen on the exam. Each slide will begin with a question with potential answers. There will be a 15-second pause to allow you to answer the question, and then the answer will be presented. You may find it beneficial to pause the video while you select your answer. Identify which questions you struggle with, study some more, and come back and retake to be able to see your improvement. What type of weather information is provided in a METAR? The answer is B. Current observed weather conditions at an airport. Meters provide current observed weather conditions, usually updated every hour. What does the METAR code BKN020 indicate? The answer is B. Broken clouds at 2,000 feet AGL. Here, BKN stands for broken clouds, and 020 equals 2,000 feet above ground level. What weather condition is most likely to cause reduced drone performance? The answer is A. High temperature and high density altitude. This is because high temperature increases density altitude, reducing air density, and decreasing propeller efficiency. What does the abbreviation TAF or TAF stand for? The answer is A. Terminal aerodrome forecast. A temperature inversion is most likely to result in The answer is B. Smooth and stable air. This is because inversions create stable air and can trap pollutants, haze, or smoke. What does the METAR visibility code 3SM mean? The answer is D. 3 statute miles visibility. SM stands for statute miles on METARs and TAFs. Which weather phenomenon is most associated with cumulonimbus clouds? The answer is C. Thunderstorms. Cumulonimbus clouds are massive, towering vertical clouds associated with thunderstorms, heavy rain, hail, lightning, and tornadoes. What type of cloud typically indicates fair weather? The answer is D. Cumulus. Cumulus clouds are puffy clouds often associated with fair weather. What does the wind group 270-15 G25 KT mean in a METAR? The answer is A. It represents wind from 270 degrees at 15 knots and gusting to 25 knots. What is the primary cause of wind? The answer is B. Differences in atmospheric pressure. Wind is caused by the uneven heating of Earth's surface by the sun, which creates variations in atmospheric pressure. Which condition is most favorable for fog formation? The answer is A. Clear skies, light wind, high humidity. Fog is a cloud that forms at ground level when water vapor condenses into tiny liquid droplets, occurring when air cools to its dew point or becomes heavily saturated with moisture. What is density altitude? The answer is B. Pressure altitude corrected for temperature. Which weather source provides graphical aviation weather information? The answer is C. Aviation Weather Center charts. What type of cloud layer is described as uniform and gray covering most of the sky? The answer is B. Stratus. Which weather hazard is most dangerous for small unmanned aircraft? The answer is A. Thunderstorms. So how did you do? If you need to studying some more, subscribe to FSTG to find a video on the weather section of Part 107. You can also find our videos on sectional charts, loads and performance, and Part 107 rules and regulations, and much more. We hope this helped in your test preparation. Please subscribe to find additional practice tests on other Part 107 sections.